Have you ever wondered how your cereal gets made? You might be surprised that it's not much different than baking at home, just in a slightly bigger kitchen. So, take a peek inside our Post Cereals kitchen and see how some of your favorite cereals, like Honey Bunches of Oats and shredded wheat, are made. For all our cereals, we start with the primary ingredients. That's corn, whole grain wheat, whole grain rolled oats, almonds, and rice for Honey Bunches of Oats. And for our shredded wheat, well, it's just whole grain wheat. Next, the ingredients go into a hopper or mixing kettle, and they get mixed together. Add water and steam, and now we've officially begun the cooking process. Then, it's time to give the cereal its iconic shape. To create flakes for Honey Bunches of Oats, corn pieces are flattened between two large mills. Meanwhile, shredded wheat takes small wheat berries and runs them through shredding mills, forming what looks like a string. Next, we dry or puff the cereal to get the desired size. Then, sugar, vitamins, and flavors are added for the finishing touches. Don't forget our classic homemade granola for Honey Bunches of Oats, or other delicious additions like fruits, nuts, and marshmallows. Every Post cereal has its own unique process, but all of our cereal making magic happens at our 10 cereal plants located in the United States and Canada by our team members who are dedicated to making lives better by making delicious food accessible to all. So, from our kitchen to yours, we hope you enjoy each carefully crafted bowl of Post cereal.